Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Daniel Osvaldo Sanchez. I explain to the lesson plan adolescents. Teacher Daniel Osvaldo Sánchez Hernández, lesson plan, group adolescents, level A2, topic verb to be, description physical, there is, there are. Class description. Warm up, 10 sentences will be given, and according to this, the corresponding verb to be will be placed in each space. She very beautiful, he playing basketball, we swimming in the pool, my father dancing at the party, my grandmother sleeping in the sofa, Lucia doing her some homework. Resources and materials, board marker, time 10 minutes. Presentation, physical description, there is, there are, verb to be. We take important data such as hair color, style, hair type, eyes color, large, small, complexion, skin, face shape, personality can also be described, distracted, funny, lazy, arrogant, shy. Example, Juan has green eyes, Diego is distracted in class, Daniel has brown skin color, Lina has an oval face. There is, there are. A simple present, affirmative, and negative. The form that is used followed by the present form of the verb to be, whether in singular or plural appropriate. Example, affirmative. There are books in the library. There is a notebook on the sofa. And plural and singular. Negative. There are not books in the library. There is not a book in the sofa. Plural and singular. Verb to be. A video presentation will be made so that the students easily understand the explanation that will be given below. Presentation of examples. I am a doctor. You are an engineer. He is old. She is a funny person. Verb to be. Son, am, or is. Definition and example. The verb to be, you must learn that everything depends on the context in which it's found, that is, depending on the way in which it's used, it can represent any of the following concepts. Be, for example, she is tall. Be, for example, he is old. Have, for example, is there a chemical reaction? And material and resources, board marker, 40 minutes. Make a description. Practice. Make a description for a partner according to explaining a gift above. Create sentence using the verb to be. 5. Create 5 sentences underlying there is and there are. Pencil. Production. From a short reading, underline the verb to be. Material resource, text, board, pencil, 10 minutes. Monica, were they? Assessment, post, make a small description of the family with an image, create a text with the verb to be using physical description. Reference. Lesson plan. Adults. Teacher Daniel Osvaldo Sánchez. Group adults, level A1. Topic verb in past and irregular verbs. Objective, correctly understand the form of irregular verbs in their 3 forms. Class description, resources and materials, time. Warm up, they will be present with an alphabet soup where they will look for verbs in the past. Web page boards 10 minutes. Presentation. Irregular verbs are those that do not follow any rule when forming the past or participle. Material resource boards 20 minutes. Base form, past simple, past participle. Cost, could. Example. Base form, past simple, past participle. Come, came, come, run, write, wrote, written. Practice. Material resource. Board, notebook, 10 minutes. Translate the verb that in each sentence. I went to the supermarket in the afternoon. 2. I spent all my money in the casinos. 3. She worked out almost every day. I take business classes. I will take business classes. Production. Again, will the present be present where students guess the action with the respective images? Web page boards 10 minutes. Assessment. Pause. Find a text where they find irregular verbs, underline them, and translate each verb. Reference. Thank you so much, tutoring companions.